going to see Cambridge IGCSE 5802 specimen paper 2025 non-calculator paper, paper 2. Okay, are all equal to 10. All is equal to 10. Find one possible set of these 5 integers. Okay, so mean is mean, average. Okay, average of all numbers should be 10. Okay, median is the middle value, it can also be 10, and the most appeared value is 10. I think 3 possible answers can be 10 because it's the average, okay, value, it's the middle value of a set of equations, set of numbers, and this is the most common value appears. Okay, mean, median, okay, sorry, I am not writing, median and mode. All these can be 10, but remaining 2 values you have to fill it up. Okay, how to fill it up the remaining 2 values? I think the sum will be equal to, sum may be 10 into 5 numbers you have to make, so 50. Okay, but 3 numbers are there, so 50 minus 3, 30. Okay, because 3 numbers equal to 3 into 10, 30. Okay, I am subtracting, so remaining is 20. So if you add 2 numbers, you should get 20. If you subtract 2 numbers, you can get 10. Solving these 2 equations, you can get the value for. Similarly, you can solve here if you want. I'll erase this one. So 2x equal to 30, x equal to 15. So the highest number may be 15. So y may be 15, substituting in the 1, substitute in 1 equation. Okay, 15 plus y equal to 20. So y is equal to 20 minus 15. So 5. Okay, so this one is 5. Okay, can I go to the next question? Okay, 15th question. Describe fully the single transformation from the map triangle T to triangle A. Oh, it has to transfer from here to here. I think the center point for this will be, if you keep here, okay, yeah, it will rotate this way and it will rotate above, and through clockwise direction it will move through. So center will be 4, 3. Okay, from here if you rotate with the tracing paper, it will come in the clockwise direction. If you rotate, it will get in the upright position. So center 4, 3, rotation 90 degrees in clockwise direction. Okay, next question, 16th one. A student measures the height h centimeter of each 400 plants. The cumulative frequency diagram is shown here using the graph. Use the diagram to find an estimate for the median. Okay, use the estimate for find the median of the value. So median is, what is median? It is 50% of the data. Okay, it is 50%. So from cumulative frequency, 400 into 50 divided by 100. So 5 4s are 200. Okay, so here this value. Okay, 200, where it stops here. I'll make little zoom, okay, so that it is clear. Yeah, it is here. Yeah, okay, 200 is coming from here. It hits there. Okay, so it is 50% is 200. So from the graph of 200, okay, your answer is 30 centimeter height. The interquartile range is 25% from the graph. So 25 by 100 into 400. So how much it will come? Interquartile range is 25% is 100, I think. Okay, so mark for 100 here 80. So 90, 100, okay, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, no, 100 value. Interquartile range will be slowly here. It is how will you do? Upper limit we will trace. Okay, here from here it is 17, I think. When I make it, it is 10. So here in between it will come somewhere here. It will be 17. If you draw clearly, 1 minute, I will draw it clearly. Somewhere between these 2 points. Okay, this is 17 again, and from here, okay, you have to draw the maximum point also. So it will be 300. Okay, 75% also we have to take it. So 75% of 400 is 300. So from there you have to mark 380. 300 is, I will draw from here 30. In between it will come, not the exact line. Okay, at where it will come, it is 37 something. So 37 minus 17, it is 20. Okay, next one, 80th percentile. So 80 percentile of 400 is 320. Mark on the graph and get the answer. 320 is direct. Okay, so from 320 draw a line, hit the graph. It's directly on the line 40. Okay, nearby. So 40 to 39 may be right your answers. Okay, so plants above 60 centimeters. One more question. The number of plants with a height greater than 60 centimeter we have to mark. Okay, I will take this color. So number of plants about 60 centimeters. So from here, okay, so 360 is there. Okay, total plants is 3, above also it is above 360. So maybe we will keep it as 362. Total plants is 400. So this is total plants. This is the graph value we obtained. So answer is 38 plants. Okay. Okay. Can we go to the next question? Okay. There are the heights are also shown in frequency in the table. Okay. The height is being given, frequency is being given. You have to mark the histogram as shown below. So how will you do? First value is we will write the formula first. Okay, frequency density we have to calculate. So frequency density formula is frequency divided by cumulative value. Okay, slowly we will do. So frequency is 120. For the first thing I am doing one by one with this table. So 120, and cumulative value is 0 to 20 it is there. So 0 to 20 it is 20 it is coming. For here 30 minus 20. Okay, here 40 minus 30. Here 80 minus 40. These are the frequencies you will get at the top. With this value we will calculate. Okay, so how can I calculate? I will do here. Okay, so this is frequency. First value I am doing. So for the first value, okay, it is 120 divided by 20 minus 0. So automatically it is 6. Okay, first one. Second value It is 80 divided by 30 minus 20. So it is 8. Okay, third value, it is 124 divided by 40 minus 30. So it is 12.4. Fourth value, it is 76 divided by 80 minus 40. So it is 1.9. Okay, can we mark these on the graph one by one? So next 0 to 20 they are marked, 126 they are marked for you. So next one is 20 to 30. So up to here it will come. Okay, I'll use a different color. 20 to 30, here it will come up to what point? 8. Okay, so start from here, go with this. 1 minute. Okay, this is the condition for the first thing. First value, second value marked, third value is 12.4. okay, 12, here it will come 12.4 here. Okay, 12.4 will be here to 40, 30 to 20, now 40 to up to 40. So start from here. Here you will go. Okay, here you will go, come this way. This is the condition. Straightly exactly on 40 you should draw, not like me. Okay, little bit elaborated my line. Next one is 80 to 40. From here to here, the last point, it is 1.9. So 1.9 to 1 below. So we will have from here to here. I will draw one line below. Okay. Yeah, these are the values you have to shade. Okay. Okay, this is the graph for the histogram. Next question, 17th. So the diagram shows a cyclic quadrilateral ABCE. Okay, BD and AC intersects at the point X. Okay, now angle, 1 minute. Okay, BD and AC intersects the point X. Angle BAD is 74 and angle BCA is 34. Find the angle BDA. So how will you find the angle BDA? The logic is angles subtended by the same arc are equal. Okay, I will write here the angle. Too thick. Angle subtended, okay, by the same arc are equal. Okay, equal and same. Okay, this is the way the diagram should be. This triangle, okay, with the base, and this triangle with the base, they are running on the same thing. So okay, they have the same chord. So this will be the answers for this question. So this 34 is same here, hanging in the same arc. Therefore this is the base for 2. So it is 34 degrees. Reason for the first question. Okay, angle BCD. How will you find angle BCD? So this part we have to find out. So angle BCD is total angle is, this is opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. So opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. Therefore 180 minus 74 is equal to 106 degrees. Okay, next angle ABD. This part ABD. How will you find out ABD? So by taking the triangle Okay, this is taking the triangle. How will you get? Total angle is 74 we have, okay, plus 34 we have, so it is 108 degrees. So 180 minus 108 is 72 degrees. Okay, angle ABD, this part. This is 74. I will draw here if you want. Okay, this is 74. Okay, we calculated this one is 34. So they are asking this angle. This is D, this is A, this is B. Okay. Next question, in the diagram, triangle ADX is similar to triangle BCX. Okay. Find BC is 4.5, AD is 9, CX is 3.5. Here BC is, I'll write, BC is 4.5 here. Okay, BC is 4.5 and AD is 9. I think they are in ratio. Okay, CX is 3.3 here, this part alone. Okay, so we have to find out XD, this line. Okay, how will we find out? I think they are in ratio if you check out. Okay, so BC, I will do the calculation here. This way, if you take, this is the larger one, this is the smaller part. So this is 4.5 centimeter, this is 9 centimeter. Okay, and CX, this part is 3.3. This is X, this is C. Okay, I think this is A, this is B, and this is D. Okay, so I think they are in ratio if you take it out. So BC is in the ratio of ADC. It may be 4.5 is to 9 is equal to 1 is to 2. Side ratios there. So area ratio will be, how will you calculate area ratio? Okay, it is just 1 is to 2 the whole square, which is equal to 1 is to 4. Very basic thing. And area of the triangle we have to calculate. Okay, we know two sides and from that we have to find the answers. Okay, angle is also known. This is 34, this is also 34. From that we have to calculate. Okay, so applying the area of triangle formula, very big thing, two sides are known, so one angle is been given. So AB sine C, here also for triangle CBX I am doing it. Okay, and here half AB sine C. Okay, for the bigger part. So here it is in the ratio of 1 is to 4. So it is 1 by 4 automatically. We will multiply here. So 4 into 1 by 2 into A is 3.3 into 4.5 sine C, which is equal to half into A is 9 into side length is X. We have to find out. Okay, this length. Dx is the length, we have to xd, this is the length we have to find out. Okay, this part. So into the calculation is sine C. Okay, this sine C and sine C are same. Okay, and 4 by 2 it is cancelled, so it is 2 into 3.3. I'll write 2 into 3.3 into 4.5, which is equal to 4.5, that is 9 divided by 2 into x. Okay, so after multiplying this part, is 4.5 also gets cancelled on either side. So 2 into 3.3 is 6.6. So x is 6.6 centimeters. Okay, 2 into 3.3 is 6.6. Okay, next question. Okay, next question is 18th. F of x is 3 minus 2x. G of x is 2x plus 3. H of x is 2 power x. Find f of minus 3. So f of x is just substituting. I am directly doing it. So how will we do? For f of minus 3, directly substitute in the f of x equation. So f of minus 3 in the x you are substituting 3. So it is equal to 3 minus 2 into minus 3 whole bracket. So 3 minus of minus become plus 6. So it is equal to 9. Okay, it's 9 centimeter. Next part, find g of f minus 3. Okay, f of 3 we have calculated as 9. Now we will substitute in the g equation. G of x equation is 2x plus 3. Now we are substituting g f of minus 3. So it is 9 answer. 2 into 9 plus 3 it is 18 plus 3 it is 21. Okay, now f inverse of x. How to find f inverse of x? Make the x subject first. So how will you make y is equal to f of x? We will make. Okay, then function is f inverse, so we will change the equation. Okay, so y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Now y minus 3 equal to 2x, or y minus 3 divided by 2 equal to x. We can write f of x equal to, f inverse of x equal to 3 minus y. Okay, I have written wrongly, 1 minute. I made a wrong thing. Okay, I am a little bit confused. So y is equal to 3 minus 2x, then 2x equal to y 3 minus y, then x is equal to 3 minus y divided by 2. So f inverse of x is equal to 3 minus y divided by 2, but we forgot one more thing. So change the value of y to x in the final part. So f inverse of x equal to 3 minus x divided by 2. This is the final answer. We have to change, okay, y to x. This is the final part. Next question, find x when g of x is 7. So how will you find out g of x is 7, they are saying. So g of x value is g of x is 2x plus 3, okay, equal to 7. Again we are doing it. G is how much? G2. We will again write the equation 2 times 2x plus 3. Okay, we are substituting in the equation of g again, plus 3 equal to 7. I am substituting here x value is 2x plus 3. So 4x plus 6 plus 3 equal to 7. So here 9, move that side. So 4x equal to minus 9 plus 7. So 4x equal to minus 2, and x equal to minus 2 by 4 equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is the answer. Next question, simplify. Oh, I left one more question. H inverse of x equal to 5. Find h inverse of x. So we have to find h inverse. For that you will find h of x. Okay, how will we convert h of x? See, h inverse, okay, into h of x. Simplify this one, which is equal to how much it will come? H inverse into h, both will cancel, so it will become h of x, that is equal to h of 5. X is 5, I am substituting, so h of 5, therefore h of x is 2 power x, it is, okay, 2 power x is h of 5, okay, 2 power x is your answer. So now will we do is h of 5, then both will get cancelled, therefore 2 power 5 I am doing for the power of x, therefore it is 32. Okay, it's 32. Yeah. Next question, 19th question, root 32 plus root 98. It is simply we can write as 16 times 2, This can be written as 49 times 2. So it is 4 root 2 plus 7 root 2. Okay. So 4 plus 2, it is 11 root 2. Total answer. Okay. This is the answer, 11 root 2. Rationalize the denominator. It is very simple. So 1 by root 1, cross multiply this one, but change this one to minus. Okay. So root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. What will happen? So both will get, here it is root 2 minus 1 at the top, multiplying these two at the bottom, you will get this time 2 root 2 into root 2 2. Okay, this is plus root 2, again by 1 minus root 2 plus 1. Okay, or plus 1, no, minus 1. So these two will get cancelled. 2 minus 1 is 1 at the bottom, and top root 2 minus 1. So answer is root 2 minus 1 divided by 1. This is the meaning of rationalization in the denominator. Okay, now next 20th question, y is proportional to 1 by root x. To make it an equation, so we are introducing a constant, y is equal to k by root x. Okay, k by root x. So now we have to find the value of k by substituting this one, 8 for y, and k will be k, and x we are substituting 4. So 8 root 4, sorry, I forgot, 8 into root 4. So 8 is equal to k divided by 2, and k is equal to 16. Cross multiplying these two, k is 16. From that, now we will find for the next thing. Okay, we have calculated for k. So y is equal to, k value is 16 divided by root x is now 49. Okay, they have given root x is 49. Therefore, y is equal to 16 divided by 7. This is the answer. Okay, next one, 21st question. In this question, all the measurements are in centimeters. Okay, the height of the triangle is h, and the height of the rectangle is h by h plus 2. The length of the base of triangle is x, and the length of the rectangle is x plus 1. Area of triangle is 11 centimeter, and area of the rectangle is 39 centimeter square. Write down an expression in terms of x for the height of the rectangle. So we know the formula. How will we do? Area of the, write down expression in terms of x for the height of the rectangle they are asking. So for the rectangle it is 39 centimeter square. Okay, we are writing with that expression and multiplying this condition. It is something should be multiplied with height, so it is into x plus 1, and directly we can get the answer. If it is h or it is the x value we are calculating, so 39 divided by height. If it is x, okay, take this height as x for an expression. So 39 divided by x plus 1 will be your x value. Okay, that's the answer for this question. That is the expression. Next one, show that 2x cube minus 2x square minus 15x plus 22 equal to 0. Okay, for a triangle, area is half into base into height. So for that, we will do your equation, half into base is x into h equal to 11. This is one equation. For the rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so it is x plus 1 into h plus 2 equal to 39. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So now we are solving one by one. I think here we can take one thing out of the equation. From the first equation, the 2 will be going to other side. X plus h is equal to 22, or h is equal to 22 divided by x. Okay, we will keep this thing and substitute in the second part. So x plus 1. Okay, for h we are substituting 22 by x plus 2 equal to 39. So how will you solve? One by one we have to multiply and remove the equations. Okay, so it is commonly taken. Here it is I'll keep as 22 by x into x, okay, one part, plus 22 by x, other part, plus now 2x, then 2 equal to 39. So this will get cancelled. Here 22 plus 2 plus 2x plus 22 by x equal to 39. Okay, now what is the answer for the final part? On multiplying x on the either side, you will get, okay, you will get 2x square. Multiplying on the x to get equal to x square plus 22 plus 24 minus 39. We will come this side, make the x on the other into x, sorry, into x equal to 0. Alright, on simplification finally we will get around 1 minute. I will erase this thing. Okay, and finally you will get 2x square plus 22x. I am missing, no, it is 15x minus 15x, not plus, it is minus 39. So 22 2x square minus 15x plus 22 equal to 0. Okay, this is the answer. Next question, here we have proved the answer. Next part is by C question, by factorizing and solving 2x square minus 15x plus 22 equal to 0, find two possible heights of the triangle. So how will you find the two possible heights of the triangle? Just by factorizing, I think you can get the answer. So 2x square minus 15x plus 22. We are factorizing. How will we factor it? For 15, we should get by adding, and 22 for multiplying. Here 2 into 22 becomes 44. We should get 44 and 15. So minus 4 minus 11 will be the answer, I think. Minus 11, because it should be in minus and should come as positive. Okay. So from elaborating, 2x square minus 4x minus 11x plus 22 equal to 0. Taking 2 and x as common, x minus 2 minus as common. Okay, and taking 11 out, x minus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 2 is one part and 2x minus 11 is other part. So equating to 0, x will be equal to 2. Here x will be equal to 11 by 2. So 1 raised to 2, 1 is 11 by 2. Okay, next question. 22nd question. Here find the exact value of the x. Okay, so how will we find the exact value of the x? Here this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent to the angle, so we can use cos theta, but we have to remember the value for cos 30 and other thing because no calculators are used. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, okay, which is 8 by x. Cos 30 degree equal to 8 by x. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 equal to 8 by x. So now to find out x, should be going up. So x will be moving up, 8 by root 3 by 2. So it is 16 by root 3. Okay, this is the answer for x. Now 23rd question, write as a single fraction in its simplest form. Now we will cross multiply the denominator at the top. So 3 into x plus 3, okay, minus 4 into x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 into x plus 3. So 3 into x plus 3 becomes 3x plus 9 minus 4x into 4 into 4, it becomes plus 16. Okay, divided by x minus 4 into x plus 3. So minus 4x plus 3x is minus 1x, plus 16 plus 9 is 25. Okay, so bottom is x plus 3 into x minus 4. So answer is 25 minus x divided by x minus 4 into x plus 3. Okay, next question, 24th question. So write x square minus 4x plus 7 in the form of x minus a square plus b. So it is this equation is similar to ax square plus bx plus c. This a and b are not this one. Here I have represented by capital A. These are the constants which is in before that. So for finding this minus a, we will use the formula b by 2. So it is minus a is equal to minus 4 by 2, which is minus 2, minus a, both get cancelled. So a is equal to 2. Okay, a is equal to 2. One answer we have got, and the next equation we have to find the value of b. So for that we will equate these two things. Okay, how will we do? Elaborate this thing. X minus 2 the whole square, we are elaborating it, plus b. We have to find out by equating to x square minus 4x plus 7. Okay, x minus 2 the whole square can be expanded as x square minus 4x plus 4 plus b equal to x square minus 4x plus 7. This is the original equation they have given there. Okay, so x square gets cancelled. Okay, 4x also gets cancelled. So b is equal to, here 4 is there, so move to the other side. 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Okay, so b is equal to 3. A is 2 and b is 3. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. Okay, write down the coordinates of the turning points of the graph. Y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 7. So here the equation is, how it is like that. It's a quadratic incomplete square. Okay, this equation looks like a quadratic incomplete square. So if it is like that, it can be written as these values, whatever appearing as a and b will be their turning point. Okay, it is similar to x minus h the whole square plus k. This is a quadratic incomplete square equation. Similar to this, it is appearing. Your answer, it is equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 3. Same. So these two will be the turning point for the equation. Automatically here minus is been there in your equation. So it will be positive 2 and positive 3. Okay, 25th question. The area of the two shapes are mathematically similar. Okay, the area of the larger shape is 36 centimeter square and area of smaller shape is 25 centimeter square. The larger shape is 9 centimeter large height and smaller one is x centimeter. Find the value of x. So we will have two ratios. Ratio wise we will go the equation. Two areas have been given. So ratio of the areas is, okay, 36 is to 25, and ratio of the sides, if you are going for sides, take the square root of 36 and 25. So it will be 6 is to 5 centimeters. So now we will compare the ratios with the other thing part. Okay, 9 is to x equal to 6 is to 5. So how will we move on? Okay, I am moving this way. I will write it. It is more easier to understand. Okay, by the ratio definition, it is x, the smaller part to the greater part, here equal to 5 by 6. Okay, so now this way it is 45 divided by 6 equal to 15 by 2 equal to 7.5 centimeters. Okay, this is 7.5 centimeters. Okay, next question, 26th question. Okay, f of x is been given x of x plus 2 into x minus 3 on the diagram. Sketch the graph for y is equal to f of x. So, show the values of intersection with the axis. For this graph, we will do this way. Okay, equating, I will write here first. Okay, no place, I will write it here. Okay, x of x plus 2 into x minus 3 just equate to 0. Okay, to get the answers. So for that we will get the values. Okay, x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2 and x equal to 3. Okay, plot these points on the graph. X is one point is 0 and other one x is minus 2 somewhere here and x is 3. Okay, now we can draw the graph. Okay, I will draw from here, passing through, then to 0, then 3. This way the graph should be there. Now the B part of the question is expand and simplify this equation. So how will you expand? Multiplying this one first and second, it is x square plus 2x. Now with the third part. Okay, x into x square is x cube, x in plus 2x is 2x square minus 3x square minus 6x. So minus 3x square minus 2x plus 2 is 1. So minus 1x square minus 6x. Okay, this is the answer for simplification. Okay, now the third part question. Point A is at point 1 comma minus 6. Tangent to the graph of y is equal to f of 6. F of x meets at the point at B. Find the coordinates of B. So for this, for the tangent graph, we have to define the derivative df by dx. So when you differentiate this equation, we have to differentiate the second part of the equation, that is x cube minus x square minus 6x. We have to differentiate this. On differentiation, it is 3x square minus 2x plus minus 6. Okay, now at the point 1 it is moving. So for 1 I am applying differentiation value at x equal to 1. Therefore it becomes 3 minus 2 minus 6. So it is minus 5. This is m. Okay, the tangent value of 2a, how it comes. Okay, or the gradient. M is the gradient, whatever way it can be represented. M, it is m. Now we can use the formula y is equal to mx plus c to find the value of the derivatives. Okay, we can substitute y is equal to minus 6. It is given. M is minus 5. We have calculated in the part, into x is 1. Okay, x is 1 plus c. So minus 6 minus, so equal to minus 5 plus c. When you move this side, minus 6 plus 5 equal to c, which is equal to minus 1. Okay, c is minus 1. So the x coordinate is 0, whereas the y coordinate of b is 2 points you should get. One is 0 comma this one is minus 1. So 0 minus 1. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Okay.